Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use a Visa gift card at the Apple Store. It's a straightforward process, whether you are shopping online or visiting a physical store. We will cover the essential steps for both scenarios, ensuring your purchase goes smoothly. Plus, I will share some important tips to help you avoid common issues and make the most of your gift card. Let's get started. When shopping online, first register your Visa gift card with your billing address on the card issuer's website. This step is crucial for successful transactions. At the Apple checkout, choose the credit or debit card option. Then, simply enter the 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3-digit security code from the back. Remember, your purchase total must be less than or equal to your card's available balance. For in-store purchases, simply present your Visa gift card to an Apple specialist at the time of checkout. It is very helpful to know your exact card balance beforehand so you can inform them. If your purchase exceeds the gift card's value, you can easily request to split the payment. You will then pay the remaining amount using another accepted payment method, like a debit or credit card. To ensure a smooth experience, always check your Visa gift card balance before heading to the Apple Store or shopping online. Registering your card with your billing address is also vital to prevent declines. If your card has a small remaining balance, consider using it for a smaller purchase first. Finally, keep your physical gift card until you are certain your transaction has fully processed and settled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.